Our story begins with a monocyte, a type of white blood cell, patrolling the bloodstream within a capillary. When the body detects an infection, inflammatory signals are released from the infected tissue. These signals attract the monocyte, prompting it to migrate out of the capillary and into the surrounding tissue. Once in the infected tissue, the monocyte undergoes a transformation, differentiating into a specialized cell called a differentiating cell. The differentiating cell continues to mature, eventually becoming an inflammatory dendritic cell, IDC. IDCs are key players in the immune response, responsible for activating other immune cells. The mature IDC releases two powerful signaling molecules, nitric oxide, NO, and tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNF-alpha. These molecules act like a distress signal, attracting other immune cells to the site of infection and orchestrating a coordinated immune response. This process of monocyte differentiation into inflammatory dendritic cells is a critical step in the body's defense against infection. By understanding this process, we can better understand how our immune system works and develop new strategies to fight disease. Our story begins with a